Not getting your online business ready for the holiday shopping season can make you lose out on potential sales. So you better get the ball rolling. At Printful, we understand that the holiday shopping season is a pivotal time for your online business. That's why we've ramped up our efforts to ensure a seamless product fulfillment process while you set up your online store for a better shopping experience for your customers. Let's take a look at how Printful is preparing to fulfill your store's print-on-demand fulfillment orders during the most profitable time of the year for e-commerce businesses. Expanded production facilities. Your business will miss out on additional revenue if you sell to a local-only market this holiday shopping season. In a globalized e-commerce industry, shopping events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday go across borders, so your business should cater to a global audience. Over the past few years, Printful has invested significantly in expanding our production facilities across the globe. With a presence in more countries, we can house a greater inventory and ensure quicker turnarounds for your international customers. This holiday shopping season, our production facilities will be ready to process hundreds of thousands of orders from more than 100 countries. Review our product availability across our production facilities and start offering your merch worldwide. Expert in-house customer support. As your business grows, so does your logistical challenges. On-demand fulfillment involves several moving parts, from product designing and printing to packing and shipping. There can be nuances in any of these stages. Printful's dedicated support team can guide you through the production complexities and ensure a smooth operation for your online business during the holiday shopping season. To keep our customers informed and supported, we've bolstered our customer support team, ensuring queries are addressed promptly. We'll be ready to provide expert support through multiple channels, including email, chat, and social media. This peak season, trust a proactive customer support team that can help sort your customers' orders. Enhanced workforce and advanced equipment technology. If you work with an inconsistent fulfillment partner, you risk getting negative feedback from low-quality products. That's not the case with Printful. Our commitment to innovation has led us to implement the latest industry-leading tech so you can offer premium quality merch fulfilled by an experienced production team. We've been investing in new equipment. With the new unlimited color embroidery technique, you can create striking product designs for your brand's catalog with almost no thread color limitations. And as the holiday shopping season looms, Printful is amplifying its operations to cater to the expected rush in e-commerce orders. By investing in our seasonal workforce, we're gearing up to guaranteed improved on-demand fulfillment logistics at our production facilities. This holiday shopping season, we're committed to ensuring the best e-commerce experience for you and your business shoppers. Tell me in the comments how you're preparing your online store for the busiest shopping season of the year. Do you need help getting the ball rolling yet? Check out our YouTube channel for tips on marketing and design to increase your sales this holiday season. See you in the next video.